reassuring children that they will always be loved and that there are many benefits to having a child in family life. Use the opportunity of flatulence during pregnancy to explain what is happening to children. When informing the child between the ages of 2 or 3, it is very difficult because the children of this age are very attached to the mother. Children of this age don't realize that another child may share it in mother, father, tenderness and games. Children feel sensitive when another child comes to the family, so they must be involved in everything about the new child in order to alleviate envy. Participation of the children in preparing clothes and toys for the newborn and showing some pictures of the old child when he is young so that he knows this is normal. There is no concern if the old child imitates the newborn, such as drinking milk in a bottle or wearing a diaper again. These things are a way to seek the mother's love and draw her attention, so the mother should not feel uncomfortable with this behavior because the old child will stop all these things soon. A specific time must be given to an adult child, regardless of whether the mother is busy.